Good day, June 7th, 2018. Thanks for tuning in. Jesse Livermore had said there is only one side of the market, and it's not the bull side, it's not the bear side, it's the right side. Trading the right side of the market, the line of least resistance, as Livermore called it, is what we're all about at 7 Sentinels. Yesterday, we talked about the Sentinel number 1. Sentinel number 1 is an indicator that uses the McClellan oscillator, 13-day moving average and 34-day moving averages of the McClellan oscillator. What you're looking at here is the Standard & Poor's 500 on a daily basis for the last 6 months, and below that are the 13 and 34-day moving averages of the McClellan. When the 13-day is below the 34-day, the Sentinel number 1 is in downtrend mode. When the 13 is above the 34, Sentinel number 1 is in uptrend mode. Period. The end. Now, today we're going to look at Sentinel number 2. But I will add today that in order to have a signal on which you would operate and trade in the market, all 7 must agree. And we'll talk about that after we've gone through the 7 individually. Sentinel number 2 is the McClellan oscillator for the NASDAQ. This is again, or in this case, the NASDAQ composite average on a daily basis for the last 6 months at the top. And below that, the 13 and 34-day moving averages of the NASDAQ McClellan oscillator. If you look faintly in the background, you'll see the single-day McClellan reading. But when the 13-day is below the 34, Sentinel number 2 is in downtrend. When the 13-day moving average is above the 34, Sentinel number 2 is in uptrend mode. That's all we really need to talk about today. We'll bring this all together after we've done all 7. We do want to remind you that if you wish to go to 7sentinels.com, there are a number of articles there that you can read just simply by hitting the link at the bottom of the page. They're free. And if you look at the center link in the top column, you'll see limited time trial. If you want the whole story right now, including our complete analysis of the market and where it's going, click on that link, and for $9.95 you can have a trial subscription to 7 Sentinels. So thank you very much for listening today, and good trading.